Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix cyber threats with FireEye, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cybersecurity landscape. Identify all potential vulnerabilities in your systems. Gather data on any recent cyber incidents or threats your organization has faced. Download and install FireEye Security Suite from the official website. Follow the installation prompts to ensure a smooth setup process. Once installed, launch the FireEye console. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your security status. Run an initial scan of your network to identify any existing threats. Review the scan results carefully. Prioritize the threats based on their severity and potential impact. Utilize the FireEye threat intelligence to understand the nature of these threats. Implement the recommended remediation steps for each identified threat. Schedule regular scans to continuously monitor your network. Set up alerts for any suspicious activity that may occur in the future. Train your team on best cybersecurity practices to minimize human error. Integrate FireEye with your existing security solutions for comprehensive coverage. Regularly update your FireEye software to ensure you have the latest protection. Conduct periodic audits to assess the effectiveness of your cybersecurity measures. Document all incidents and responses for future reference. Stay informed about emerging cyber threats by following FireEye updates. Foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness across your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.